Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have Note 10 Plus that has a charging error problem. Let me just show you. As you can see, moisture error. I hope you can see it. This is a problem. So what we need to do for this, we need to change the charging port. Sometime it will resolve with the charging port, sometime it's some other board, but first we try with the charging port if it will work. Let me just set it to cook a little bit. I take our this and our spray to melt it, and take our one little blade, so we will continue the work. This is what we are going to use, new one. So let's just test it. Let's just heat it up a little bit and then we will remove it. So if you have any problem, first try to replace the charging port, the whole complete. Then this way you can change your power button, charging port, but it's giving me not good vibe. So let's try not to break it. I don't have thinner than that, so it will be a little bit pain, but we will probably do it. So I think we need to cook a little bit more because it's not going in. I don't want to heat it too much. My electric screwdriver is dead, so we are going to use this one with the right tip, manual one, JKME. So my electric screwdriver don't have a charging, so we need to use this one. So I boot that. I don't want to put too much pressure on it because I can cut everything. Here you go, a little bit inside. Now we can use this one to loosen a little bit adhesive and cut a little bit. We can't put too much pressure on it. Easily, just like that. Just like that. Now we are inside the phone. We can't too much pressure, a little bit, because there is a camera. It should be enough. You can see phone is on, but I don't want to cut the flex, so we are going to use a little bit of this, not too much, just to cut the adhesive. Here you go, it's up, and now it's a little bit to remove. There, as you can see, now we can cut this glue and remove our back glass. This way you can remove your back glass without breaking it. So just clean up a little bit for new adhesive. Let's just remove the screws. You can remove this error by just putting little bit heat on the charging port, but it will give you the same error after 1 week, 2 months. It will give you the same error. So if you don't have a piece, you can do it. Let's just remove our back of the board. Dimmi.
Ho fatto, vedi?
Sta facendo backup, sto facendo
Non lo so.
questo.
Vedi, vado avanti così.
No, deve fare sul telefono.
Mm?
Deve fare sul telefono.
Come?
Telefono come sta? Sta facendo backup, lascialo. Sta facendo, come si dice, aggiornamento.
Ha fatto giornalmente.
Non ha fatto, sta facendo. Sta scaricando. Installando, capito? Let me just check my users. They have a bad tip, so I will press on it. Now it's good. So this one, we will take our new charging port. Always check if there is any tape, so microphone will not give you any problem. You don't have to reopen the phone. It can come back, mic is not working. So why is not going in? I don't know. I need to check it. I can just remove it from here also. There you go. We did it. Now we bought the subscribe board. There you go. What should we do? We do this one. Where's not going in? Is there anything? Why does this have a solder on it? Yes, it has a solder on it. I don't know why. There you go. Now it's good. We remove the solder.
Dipende che modello è. Dipende che modello è.
So here you go.
Vabbè, poi ripasso dopo, sta passando l'autobus. Grazie.
We will take this one and put it here, and it's perfectly set. So we put the antenna sub here. Here you go. Put it. Now we will take our flex, charging flex. Sub one goes to little board for charging port. There you go. Now we will put our charging here, speaker, ringer, charging speaker, whatever you want to call it. But always see if there is any screw. You don't want to damage the display because it costs too much. So just like that. Take your page, screw, VT. Now we will test it if it will work or not. So I think it should work, but test is test. So let's put on 2 screws.
Let's see. Ma senti Caterina. Ah, aspetta, devo mettere.
It's starting to check ampere, but let's see what will it be giving us on this display. Charging display, if it will charge or not. Yes, it is charging. Now let me just turn it on. I just put the screw in that time.
Questo qua. Sì. GLS, sì.
Let's just remove it. It is charging. So we've done it. This was damaged. We replaced it. Now it will work perfectly. Now we need to clean this one a little bit of adhesive to need to be removed.
Grazie. Ciao.
It does not want to come off, so we can't remove it. So here you go, here you go. We need to know the difference. There you go. Now it's perfectly cleaned. We'll clean this one, housing, and we will glue it back and give it to customer. And if it is happy, he is happy. If it's not happy, not happy. So if you want to know what was the price of repair, it will cost him 35 euro. Repairing cost of charging port replacement now. Because with this one we replace the charging flex, we replace the microphone, we replace also the antenna, all of this one piece. So it costs us a little bit. We take our T7000 and apply it on the housing, little bit, not too much. because if you put too much glue, it will be impossible to remove after that. It will be very hard. You can be, the other customers or the technicians can break it, break the phone, break the display, everything. So here you go. This is how you replace the charging port. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment. I will try to respond. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next video.